in Watiri, Josephine Adonu. This is the LGA woman leader that is from Watiri, Patient Odia. The treasurer are here and the other executives are here. We are here in respect of the information given to us that the national chairman of Labour Party has been suspended. That is not correct. That is false information. We are not aware of it. We are the executive of the Watiri are not aware. The chairman has not been suspended and we have passed the vote of confidence on him, Barrister Julius Abure. He is from this world and we pass vote of confidence on him. The people involved in this matter are the suspended youth leader Aslem Erekwe and the suspended publicity secretary Ararabi Aboyomi. Those are the people who are responsible for it. The suspended publicity secretary was suspended from this party and he has discount to APC. So for the proof, let's just show you the proof. For the proof, this is the Watiri signboard here. Those are the signboard of the Watiri. This is the signboard of this war. So our national chairman has not been suspended. So that is what we are about to say. So every media house and all Nigeria, please, this information is not correct. Disregard that information. Is suspended. He has not been suspended. We the Watiri are not suspended. Thank you very much. Labour Party or whatever.